Burden gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say burden, y'all say gang. Burden, gang. Burden, gang. We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crown. Burden gang. Got the chickens on deck. The baby chicks. Baby chicks, yeah. Burden gang, we in the building. We got some food over here. Some
Food
over there and water over there. Look at the ducks. They drinking. They love that water. They love it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, look at them in there. Look, y'all, look. Yes. Burden gang form. We out.
Chickadees.
They do?
Hey, chickadees.
Hi. Hi. Look at our big rooster. He is huge. Oh, fat ass. And the girl. I be seeing them fucking too. Look at, yeah, we can. Look at the eggplant, y'all. It's growing great in our garden. He is a big motherfucker. He bit me twice, y'all, and they hurt. They are hurt. Look at her trying to sleep.
Today's harvest. You can almost smell it. Well, I can smell it, but y'all can almost smell it. Fig tree is getting up there. Look at all them figs in there. And it's just a baby tree.
Don't look at me like that, girl.
Figs everywhere. The corn trying to grow up, and we in pots now. Everything we grow is in pots. Everything is in pots. The fig tree in pots.
I'm gonna go water the tomatoes.
All right. Look at that, our okra. It's in pots.
Mochi, don't forget the
Pecan.
yeah.
Pecan trees. That's one. That's two. That's three. And these came from a pecan. Just a pecan. If you want to know how I did it, you have to get back in touch with me and I'll let you know. Or look back on our YouTube page. Look at old baby little corn coming out. Look at there. Still figs. It's a big okra too right here. Look at the leaves on that. Oranges. The oranges growing good. More oranges. More oranges. Lemons. You got limes. Pears. More lemons. And pretty much all the way down. I'm tired of looking now. Hey, look at our ducks, geese, and chickens all hanging out together. Hey, chickadees! Hey! There's some big African geese. Watch when they get bigger. Ooh, they're gonna be huge. Bedtime for our big rooster. Look at him. And his girlfriend. He pimping out. Hey, big boy. Chickadee! Look at that. Today's harvest. You can almost smell it. Well, I can smell it, but y'all can almost smell it. This is what it looks like when when it gets like this. Do not cut it. Do not throw it away. It's gonna all seed. All those is gonna turn into these.
See the buds on them? The buds in him. The little seeds in him, man. They in there.
And the little pods.
They're in the pods. And this is one of our greens. One of our green tree.
Yep. That's what
So
it is, green.
don't cut it and throw it away. Save it for next year.
All the seeds. There's more seeds for next year.
Cool.
We're out. This is, I don't know what it is, but anyway, this is what you do when you want to get seeds from your plant. This is what you do. You let it seed up, and you can pick the seeds, and you could dry them, and you could have new seeds for the next year. That's all you have to do. See, all seeds. Each pod got seeds in it. Okay, just letting you know. Fig tree. See all the figs in there? Pear tree. Little pears just coming out. It's in their head. Lemon tree. Lemons. It's a lime tree. Limes all over, everywhere. Here go another lemon tree. Look at that big lemon back there. Let me find it. There it is. It's a peach tree. Then we got, what is this? Orange tree. And this is a, let me see the orange. This is another fruit tree. Chinese plum tree. They haven't produced yet though. All property. This is a grapevine. It's doing good. These are our tomatoes and banana peppers, bell peppers, all that kind of stuff. They're all over everywhere. cayenne peppers, jalapeno peppers. Look at that. There's some cabbages, little Brussels sprouts, more tomatoes, squash, more jalapenos. I'm just getting a little stuff that y'all can just peep out. More jalapenos. There goes some bell peppers. And everything you see, everything we growing is in pots. Everything is in pots. So don't let nobody tell you can't grow nothing in pots. You can grow anything in pots. Tomatoes in there, banana peppers, all this in pots. The bushels in there. Look at these bushels. Woo, look at that. They everywhere, just kicking. Okay, we out. Burden Farm, we out. It's another lemon tree. We got a bunch of lemon trees. This is another fruit tree. This is a avocado tree. It's another fruit tree. We want fruits everywhere. All over our yard.
Burden gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. When I say burden, y'all say gang. Burden, gang. Burden, gang. We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crown.